Hi. I'm Meowser. And today, I'm gonna break the glass at SeaLife. Ha 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 ha. Oh no. It's the manager of SeaLife.
Meowser. Elmo and Zoe told me that you were breaking the glass. Tell the truth.
Look behind you. You're gonna be so angry.
Meowser. I can't believe you broke the glass at SeaLife. That's it. You're banned from the SeaLife for 3 days. Go home now. When he got home,
Meowser, I can't believe you broke the glass at SeaLife. That's it, you're grounded for 3 days. Go to your room.